Hello friends, this is Vinod from SSN, and in this clip let us continue with the previous app, Hello Flutter, as we can see here, and achieve the following functionalities. So let us remove the debug banner, let us set a background color to the app and have a Hello Flutter title at the center of the app bar, and finally set an image from the internet at the center of the body. So let's get started in removing the debug banner. So let's head over to the app in Visual Studio Code, and after line number 4, let us have a property called as show or debug show checked mode banner and set it to false. Alright, so let us save this and do a hot reload and check the app to see if the debug banner is gone. So as you can see here, this debug banner is gone now. Alright, so the second functionality is to set a background color to the app. Now these three functionalities, now let us make use of scaffolding, which is supported in Flutter, to do a small scaffolding and get an app bar and set the image at the center of the body. So let's get started with the scaffold class in home. So let us remove this hello Flutter in home and set the property of home to scaffold. And within scaffold, let us first of all get started with a background color to the entire scaffold with some colors from the colors class, colors dot say teal. First of all, test this, do a hot reload and see if we get a background color of teal. Yeah, so we get a background color here, and now under the scaffold, let us do a hello Flutter title at the center of the app bar. So let us get an app bar here. So after this, let us get an app bar by calling app bar, and within that, let us do a hello Flutter title at the center. Alright. So inside the app bar, let us have a title. It's expression widget. So let us have a text widget and have this as hello Flutter and have the text in the center and save it and do a hot reload and check it out. So we have hello Flutter the title. Let us also change this background color of hello Flutter to suit the background of the entire app. So let us also have a kind of teal color to this title app bar. So let's come over here and set a background color to be say, let us give it to the accent. So let us do a hot reload and we have a similar kind of match. Let us just probably try to have a swap on the colors so that it looks more readable. We did not run it, so let us run the code. So we have hello Flutter and we have a background. Alright, so now that we have done this, let us now set an image from the internet at the center of the body. Alright, so let us come to the app bar and the scaffold. Let us now have a body, and within the body let us have an image from the internet. Okay, so from within the body we can have image, so let us get an image from the internet and we can specify the URL. So we have different images here. Let us go to the images section and from here let us choose a simple image say for a background, okay, let's choose one. Okay, so this looks kind of okay. So let me go with this image. Let us click this and click on this image again. And from here we have got so many different backgrounds. Let us choose this and right click this and say open image in new tab and get the URL. So this is the URL. So let me just copy this URL and come over to my Visual Studio Code, and from here under the image property, let me set a network image and paste the URL. Alright, so let us just save this and see if we get the image from the internet. Let us run it and have a look at the output. We have an image here. So our question is to have the image at the center of the body, so we can align it to the center. So let me click over this image here and option enter and wrap it to the center. Alright, so let me save this and do a hot reload again and run it, and we should now have our image at the center. Yes friends, so we have achieved these particular functionalities in very less lines of code, hardly 19 lines, and we have a complete Flutter app with some basic functionalities. Alright friends, thank you.